Yes. We have completed question number 3. Look at question number 4 from exercise 12C. The question says, the length, breadth and diagonal of a sheet paper are measured to be 48 centimeter. Now the sheet of paper is in this way because length, breadth and diagonal is set. Is it? Length 48 centimeter, breadth 64 centimeter and diagonal is 80 centimeter. Is it? Determine whether the sides of a sheet are at right angles to each other. Now we'll just see length of a sheet 48 centimeter, breadth of a sheet 64 centimeter and the diagonal of a sheet 80 centimeter. Is it? If the sides of sheet forms angles of right angle triangle, then it should be equal to 48 centimeter square plus 64 centimeter square is equal to 80 centimeter square. Now we'll just check it because I have asked determine whether the sides of sheet are at right angles to each other. If the breadth square plus length square will be equal to hypotenuse square, then only it forms right angle side. Now we'll just see 48 into 48 centimeter, it gives you 2304 centimeter square. 64 into 64 centimeter, it gives you 4096 centimeter square, and 80 into 80, it gives you 6400 centimeter square. Now we'll add it up. I'm coming up here. Both if we add, what do we get? We get 6400 centimeter square is equal to 6400 centimeter square. Then we'll write yes, the sides are forming right angles. Right angle to each other. Because the length square plus breadth square is equal to its hypotenuse square. So yes, it is forming right angles to each other. Is it? This is question number 4. Please write it, then we'll write question number 5. Question number 5, it says, a boy starts from home and travels 60 meter west, then turns at a right angle towards south. He goes 11 meter and reaches to the post office. How far is the post office from his home diagonally? Now, just see. This is his home. A is his home. He moves 60 kilometer west. 60 meter west. Then turns at a right angle. So at B, he is turning towards south and moves 11 meter, is it? And reaches to C. How far his home is from post office diagonally, is it? So we'll write here, let the boy's home be A. He moves 60 meter towards west and reaches to B, makes a right turn and move 11 meter towards south and reaches to C. To find the distance between, to find AC, is it? This only we have to find, is it? What do we know? What do we know, dear? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square according to Pythagoras theorem. So we are going to solve it. AC square is equal to 60 meter whole square plus 11 meter whole square, or AC square is equal to 3600 meter square plus 121 meter square, or AC square is equal to 3721 meter square, or AC is equal to under root 3721 meter square. AC is equal to 61 meter. Distance between post office and his home diagonally is 61 meter. This is 61 meter, is it? You write this number 5. Then I will be teaching you Pythagorean triplet next day, is it? We will be learning what is this Pythagorean triplet. You please write this. Okay dear, tomorrow we will be reading about Pythagorean triplet. By that time, you must keep practicing. Thank you so much.